Imagine one of the world's greatest scientists sitting alone in his quiet room for hours after midnight. This famous scientist inserts a large, blunt-tipped needle called a bodkin into his own eye and then gently pushes and pulls the inner wall of the eye socket to try to discover the refraction of light. Yes, this person is Isaac Newton, and this seemingly crazy habit helped him lay the foundations of his laws of optics. Newton had been passionate about science since elementary school, and as he grew older, this passion sometimes led him down unusual paths. The most striking example was his experiments to understand how light scattered on his retina by inserting a bodkin into the surface of his eye. It is said that he sometimes repeated this habit and that it became a tradition of observing with his own eyes for long periods of time. This was not necessarily a daily routine, however, his obsession with optics may have led him to repeat this experiment. What was the purpose of this habit? Newton intended to thoroughly investigate the properties of light, such as refraction, reflection, and spectral color separation. His observations provided first-hand experimental data to support his theories. Drawing on such observations, Newton developed his theory of the dispersion of light. He later detailed its principles in his book Opticks, which was critical in explaining phenomena such as the prism's separation of colors. As seen in Newton's writings, particularly in Principia, the foundation of true knowledge lies in observations that can be verified through experimentation. This experiment he conducted on his own body serves as a powerful example of his methodical approach and scientific resolve. Newton's work routine was exceptionally rigorous. He worked up to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. He was more focused on his inner world than on social life. His solitude and obsessions fueled his unique discoveries. These habits have led to assessments that he exhibited Asperger-like traits, such as intense focus, social isolation, and repetitive behaviors. Newton's decision to conduct experiments on his own body was a bold stance that demonstrated how rigorous and personal the scientific method could be. Imagine a scientist applying a method that would be disturbing to ordinary people to his own eye socket. His goal was to reveal the secrets of light, which seemed divine, to the world. Newton's habit, when combined with obsessive introspection and deep curiosity, sparked the transformation of science that changed the course of history. Without this passion, it might not have been possible to explain the nature of the rainbow we see today in the prism's refracted light. What do you think about Newton's habit? Please share your thoughts with us. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment on our content, and share it.